Assalamu alaikum yani Tati Gobru. Let's paro आज very short type question answers. तो यार यानी वारिया लक्कड़ जवाब दे आसने मन तुम्हें परो इस. When was the earliest map drawn? दपान युसन गोड़ने था युस map बनाना ये कारा बनाना. ये केम कारशो आमद बनावना. तो इधर बेगे जवाब एमोगो in 23,000 BC यानी 300 Couple Masi months. Wayan. Question 2. Who was the earliest cartographer to make a map? Daba Golnu ku yusan ye map banaun was naksh banaun was yukus was. To repigri the Emson now kya was. Tasos now Ptolemy. To repigri him kya korkum drew a map on clay tablet. 300 BC ago, yani 23,000 BC ago. Daba imus was naaf Ptolemy, the MS bono ye naksh kath pet clay tablet. Yani mechund ak tablet was bono mechund ak janabo pilla hish as bonomus board panas yani ak takta hyu earth per bono emi map. To torabege kar 300 kabalmosi bromo. Question number 3. How did Ptolemy show directions on a map? Dapa em kaiket kan ha yem direction at nakshas pet. Answer by drawing a north line at the top of a map. Dapa em kar kam em ni usan yat maps os nakshas os pitim north line in shimal side os shimal tarp neem at line at maps pet death. Question number 4. Name a type of scale shown on a map. Dapa name a type of scale. Dapa scale huns usan a type show yani scale hun a qasam show temuk nav when you say usan is maps pet istimal karan ch so scale kya ch temuk nav kya ch tas vanan ch is janabo answer graphic scale kya vanan ch graphic scale ya monos linear scale. To yaar Question number 5. Which technique is used to make accurate maps? Dapa kuch technique istimal karna yim setan zan accurate map banao is naqsh banao asli naqsh banao. So touch is technique karan computer. Question number 6. Which technique is used to show natural and man-made features on a map? Dapan kus technique istimal karna yat maz is havan ch natural and kudreti and man made ya insan sun banamit feature at maps per naqshas per tat ch vana is symbol kya vana ch symbol technique ch. Question number 7. Which detailed maps are prepared by Survey of India? Dapa kuch detailed map are prepared yani maps are prepared yani kum ema ch prepare karna banavna kat Survey of India yel the Survey of India gasan ch tat kus map lagan sho tat ch jawab ase kun topographical maps kya ch topographical maps. Question 8. What is an atlas? Atlas kya se go ishu nakshuk byak hisag map book. Answer Atlas is a book bound with maps. Dapan ye Atlas as ak kitab ak asan tat ch khali asan naqshe is banayit. Question now. Which features are shown on physical maps? Dapan physical map usan asan shu tat pet kya ch ema havna. Jawab tat pet chama havna mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. तो यार यानी at physical maps पे क्या छावा है पहाड़ छावा प्लेटू ढेर छावा च प्लेन्स आवान च मैदानी इलाक दरियाव छावा या यम समंदर छ हावान छा ठीक अत वनान छ फिजिकल मैथ तो आज गो यूत इंशाल्लाह रहमान आयन यमो ब्याक प्रोग्राम है तह सह ब्रो कुन तो मगर सोन यह कथ यह कि तह तम वातान जरूरी कि यम सवाल जो कापी पे करान नोट ताकि पत कुन जाय आसे मुश्क गोमुत कोरमुत कह तो अति दियो अत नजर हाँ कापी पे पानी तो पन एग्जाम हेकू ठीक पे पार कर या एग्जाम हेकू पास कर ठीक शुक्रिया।